Alright, so I have a little project here that I'm going to be taking care of while Jeff is out of town on business. We got this little vintage Coors cooler on OfferUp, I think, or Marketplace. And what I'm going to do is take off all of the hardware on it. Everything that you see, where's the other one? Right here. Get everything taken off, kind of strip everything so that Jeff can pull apart the panels and we can paint it to match the Merc. So I'm just gonna get started on that and we'll see how it goes. These are not actual like screws, so I have to do a drill and kind of clear it out so that it'll pop off and let loose. Jeff did a couple of these before he left, and I'll see if I can handle it without him here. We'll see. And then I'm just going to go ahead. This comes off pretty easy. It scratches off really easy, so I'm going to take that off with a razor. But yep, get started. All right, we got the first one off. So it wasn't as bad as I thought. So I'll go ahead and sand that down later. And yeah, we'll keep going. I'm bleeding now. There it goes, it's getting loose. There it goes, got it. I'm kind of getting used to it. You know, when I hit a certain point, you can kind of hear this little click. And I thought I heard it on this one. Not quite yet, I don't think. I don't feel a wiggle, but there's been like a little click or kind of like a little pop. So we'll try it again. So this is gonna be a little tricky. I feel like I can't get my fingers on this side to pull these out. There we go. Got it. I scratched it, but Jeff's gonna redo the whole thing. Oh my gosh, yeah, it got scratched. Okay, so this is gonna be a concern getting that back on after we paint, because no matter how hard I gouged it, I gouged the paint. Maybe with Jeff being here, he's a lot stronger than I am. He can pull and then I can guide it in. But if it was just me here, this would happen. We don't want that to happen when we reinstall all the hardware back on this cute little thing. So, all right, so we'll pop these off the same way we did that. And then I'm just gonna, this is gonna come off really easy because I mean, even with my nails, this comes off. So that's not gonna be a problem. Okay, I think we're okay. I just don't want to, there we go. I was so afraid of messing the fiberglass, but yeah, it's good. All right, this is the easy part. I kind of feel like might just be better with some solvent, like some acetone or something. I'm gonna try it, but like this is catching on all of, like it's grabbing as I'm trying to push it. It worked. I didn't even need to pull on it. Okay, that's great. All right, I'm done. So I'm gonna go get some acetone, wipe this thing off. We're back. And I did bring a teeny little sponge. It's not too harsh, so it may not be, ooh, it is, it's a little hard. This might be a problem, but I feel like this plastic scraper might do the trick, so let's just try that. I feel like this might work. it just kind of, the acetone is making it softer, so it kind of rolls off. So maybe if I do that, and maybe if I soak the sponge a little bit with some acetone too, and then just lay it over it, that might help soften it. So just trying to figure out the best way to do this without doing much damage on it. Like I said, I think Jeff is going to flake it, so you're not really going to see too much of, you know, my mistakes where I, you know, scratched it. But I just want to alleviate and kind of, you know, head it off before it happens. I just don't want to make more of a problem, and it's turning it yellow, so I think it's the sponge. I don't want to have more problems. It's working. Now it's coming off. Look, it's rolling right off. Okay, so that's the trick. Just do, okay. Now it's working. Okay. All right. I feel better now. It's working. I'm not gonna have to scratch it. So just gonna do this. Kind of let it lay on there. Gonna soften the glue that's holding this on. Just wait a minute. I'm trying also not to let the acetone get on my fingers and my nails. Should be wearing gloves. So, all right. But I think the acetone would melt my leather or my plastic gloves too. So, all right, it's coming off. It's coming off. Easy. Look at that. Boom. Done. It all came off. Yeah, it smells like those silicone balloons or rubber. I don't know what they were called. Those rubber balloons. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a hand sanding on it, just kind of rough it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of primer on the top of it and let it sit and dry. So let's get started. On top of here, I don't care if any extra gets on that. Alright, so now we're finished. We've got everything primed and ready to go, so Jeff is going to be able to handle this probably this week. He'll mix up some of the paint. We're going to do some work on the Jeep as well, so he'll kind of do that all in one time. That way he can mix up all the paint and get it going.
All right, here we are. A beautiful 70-degree Las Vegas day. Somehow cold snap blew in last night, so I'm gonna get this painted up real quick. Nicole got it sanded. I need to wipe it down a little bit more, and then I'll get the base coat on. Hang tight. All right, here's the green. Nice and solid. Let's get onto the flake. And the flake is the Painthuffer Lost at Sea. Got this beautiful flip-flop effect going on. Looks beautiful in the sun. Okay, this is more where I wanted the whole car to look. See it like every direction now. So looks pretty cool in the sun outside, which we now have completely lost. So I'm moving a little bit closer into the garage, but you can see the color shift from the blue into the gold green there. All right, so now I'm gonna go through, put all the little chrome bits on, get this thing kind of finished up. Looks pretty good, pretty happy with it. Looks nice in the sun. So let's go ahead and switch over to time lapse for this.
All right, so here it is. I told you I got done with my portion of doing the work. I did the sanding, I did the primer. Jeff did the beautiful coat that matches the Mercury. We love how it turned out. Absolutely perfect. We're going to end up doing a little bit of writing on here, maybe Ms. Merc. Jeff's really good at doing that, so stay tuned. But other than that, like, subscribe, follow us.